Here is a recipe you're sure to enjoy, called fire cider. Let's start with fire cider, benefits, uses, and preparation. Fire cider is a traditional herbal tonic rooted in folk medicine and widely used in natural wellness communities. Typically made by infusing apple cider vinegar with pungent herbs, spices, and plant ingredients, fire cider is valued for its warming properties and its role in supporting overall wellness, especially during colder months. While not a medical treatment, fire cider has a long history of use as a preventative and supportive remedy. Historical background. Fire cider was popularized in modern herbalism during the late 20th century, though its components trace back centuries. Many cultures have used vinegar-based infusions with garlic, onion, ginger, and herbs for immune and digestive support. These ingredients were chosen for their preservative qualities, accessibility, and perceived health benefits. Key ingredients. Although recipes vary, most fire cider preparations include the following: apple cider vinegar acts as the base, extracting plant compounds and preserving the mixture. Garlic, traditionally associated with immune and cardiovascular support. Onion, valued for antioxidant compounds. Ginger root, known for warming and digestive properties. Horseradish root, adds heat and is traditionally used for sinus and respiratory comfort. Hot peppers, such as cayenne or jalapeno, stimulate circulation and warmth. Optional herbs, turmeric, rosemary, thyme, or cinnamon. Honey, often added after straining to balance flavor and add soothing qualities. Benefits of fire cider. Fire cider is commonly used as a wellness tonic rather than a cure. Reported benefits include 1. Immune system support. Many fire cider ingredients are traditionally associated with immune health. Garlic, onion, and hot peppers contain compounds that may support the body's natural defenses. 2. Digestive aid. Apple cider vinegar and ginger are often used to promote healthy digestion. Fire cider is sometimes taken before meals to stimulate digestive processes. 3. Circulation and warmth. Spicy ingredients such as cayenne and horseradish promote a warming sensation and are traditionally believed to support circulation. 4. Respiratory comfort. Horseradish, garlic, and hot peppers are commonly used in folk remedies to help support sinus and respiratory comfort. 5. Natural and accessible. Fire cider is made from whole, easily sourced ingredients and can be customized based on taste or dietary needs. Note: fire cider is not a substitute for medical treatment and should be used as a complementary wellness practice. How to make fire cider. Ingredients: 2 cups apple cider vinegar, raw, unfiltered, preferred. 1 onion, chopped. 1 whole head of garlic, peeled and crushed. 1 to 2 cups fresh horseradish root, grated. 1 cup fresh ginger root, grated. 1 to 2 hot peppers, chopped. Optional herbs or spices: turmeric root, rosemary, thyme, or cinnamon. Honey, often added after straining to balance flavor and add soothing qualities. Equipment: glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Parchment paper to protect metal lid from vinegar corrosion. Strainer or cheesecloth. Instructions: prepare ingredients. Wash, peel, and chop all fresh ingredients. Fill the jar. Place all solid ingredients into the glass jar, filling it about 3/4 full. Add vinegar. Pour apple cider vinegar over the ingredients until fully submerged. Seal and store. Place parchment paper under the lid, seal the jar, and store it in a cool, dark place. Infuse. Let the mixture infuse for 3 to 6 weeks. Shake the jar gently every few days. Strain. After infusion, strain out the solids using a fine strainer or cheesecloth. Add honey. Stir in honey to taste to balance the heat and acidity. Store. Store the finished fire cider in a glass bottle or jar. It can last up to a year when refrigerated. Usage: fire cider is commonly taken in small amounts, such as 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, mixed with water or juice if desired. Conclusion: fire cider remains a popular herbal tonic due to its simplicity, adaptability, and long-standing use in traditional wellness practices. While scientific research on fire cider as a whole is limited, its individual ingredients are well known in culinary and herbal traditions. When prepared responsibly, fire cider can serve as a flavorful and warming addition to a holistic lifestyle. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship. Thanks for watching.